idea if it's gonna work.
You wanna come snuggle?
It's gonna jump. I did a Shannon Naj, I don't even know if that's how you pronounce her last name, full body. I did a 15-minute cardio of hers, and then I just did a little bit of weights. Pretty good. I mean, I'm not too sweaty or anything, but I feel I should go this way. Pretty decent, and I just threw on this little hoodie. Now I am going to make my bed because my mom's been asking me to do it for so long. Not make my bed, I always make my bed, but like put the sheets on. So I'm gonna do that now. Clean room with my bed made. I need to take my coffee cup up. I'm a little bit munchy, but it's only 11:30. I think I might make a smoothie or a protein shake, or maybe waffles. Oh, we have 3 brown bananas, which means it's banana bread time. But you guys have literally seen me make this like 8 million times, so I'm just gonna show you it when it's done. Trying this recipe, I have no idea how it's gonna work. I am so proud. This looks so good and filling, and I put guac and salsa on the side to dip in. I'm like really excited. Just threw on a quick little outfit and I'm going to the store. I changed into this top because I just wasn't really feeling the other one. So this is now the fit, and we're going to the dollar store. Basically, it's just really unfortunate timing, and my house has ants. So we're going to the dollar store because like nowhere's open, like Home Depot, everything's shut down. So we're hoping they have ant traps because there's ants like everywhere. We're waiting our turn. It's not looking good. Mom's just going shopping now. We're buying sunflowers in cups. No luck on the ant traps, but I did find coconut oil. I am home. We went running around to a bunch of different places, but we unfortunately couldn't find any ant traps. But yeah, I'm gonna just go out for a walk now. So kind of always, every day I forget that I have to go on my walk. So yeah, it's just me today. Mom has some stuff to do, so gonna go on a walk. It's 4:20 and I'm back from my walk. I'm going to change into some comfier clothes and probably read my book. I feel like I want to read. Yeah. Ignore my insane hair. This is what happens when I leave it in a bun all day, but I decided I'm going to just have a nice shower. I just feel kind of gross. So I'm gonna shower now, even though it's only like 5 p.m. I know later I'm gonna be tired and not want to. So I'm gonna go fix this hair and put coconut oil in it after. I am clean. I got the coconut oil in my hair. I honestly don't even know if this is like a thing. I just like saw it on someone's Instagram, and let's hope it works. We ate dinner and it was really yummy, but I ate too much. I ate the full bowl and it made me feel really gross. But yeah, and then my mom and I watched part of a movie, but it was really bad, so then we ended up watching an episode of the Kardashians, just like an old one. Now it's 9:15. Now I am going to make a cup of tea just because I feel really like bloated and nasty, so I figure tea will help that, or I don't know, I just know it's good to have ginger lemon tea, so I'm just gonna have some of that.
Oh, the moon pales in comparison to you, and I don't know what I should do. Love always feels like it gets in the way, hanging up but we got nothing to say. See you tomorrow, love you through sorrow, leave me some breadcrumbs and I swear I'll follow you. The right way is feeling so wrong, but the right way should lead me to you. Cause if it's true, I don't know what I'll do. Oh, the moon pales in comparison to you, and I wanna spend the rest of my life with you. Your eyes look like the stars.
Good morning, guys. I haven't formally talked to you guys yet. It is 11:15 a.m. I woke up around 7 and I just started editing this vlog. I did not do a blog post. I was just really feeling some relaxing and chilling this morning. So yeah, I just watched some YouTube and I actually bought Callie Fuller Fit's workout plan. So I'm excited to do that just because I really like her and I thought, why not? It's on sale. And I did my workout. I tried a new protein shake recipe from Made by Mariah and it was so yummy. And now I'm going to shower. I still have leftover coconut oil in my hair from yesterday, so I need to rinse that out. And yeah, so that's what I'm gonna do.
You're taking me too far. It's overwhelming. No matter how high we go, I'll find my way back to you.
This is the end.
What nonsense, darling. Well, I fixed you up last night, and I'll do it again.
In my backyard, we have this like little couch thing. So I'm just laying here because it's not warm out, but it's sunny. And there's no wind in my backyard, so I'm just laying on it. I'm gonna read and just relax. It's like 12:45. So yeah.
Hello, did you want to come snuggle? Hello, snuggle buddy. You want to tan with me? I'll tan with you.
We're off to do the grandma grocery run.
The GGR.
Yeah. We're of course at the only grocery store we like. I'm gonna get hit by a car. But we gotta do some Rosie shop and some us shop. Between grandma and us, we got a full cart. 3 p.m. we got the groceries and we are heading to Rosie's, I think. I'm kind of hungry. Oh well.
Oh, the moon leaving me oh so soon.
All right, Maggie McDonald posted her ginger shot recipe, so I'm gonna attempt it. I don't know really how it works, but she said she just did ground ginger, cayenne, coconut water, and lemon, so we're just gonna attempt it. 4:15, so that means it's walk time. I just changed back into comfier clothes and I'm gonna go for my little walk. I usually just do like 3.5K. So that's what I'm gonna go do. My mom is at my grandma's, so it is alone again, which is fine because it just allows me to listen to some podcasts and relax. So I'm gonna go for my walk. Back from my walk. Now I'm going to try the ginger shot that I made. I hope it's good. Okay, so here it is. I don't have any shot glasses up here, so I'm just gonna use what I think the shot glass would be. So there we go. Smells like ginger. We're ready. Not bad. It's kind of chunky. But tasty, so yay! I found a yummy bowl recipe on Pinterest, so I am going to go start prepping it because it requires chickpeas and sweet potatoes, and those can take a little while to cook.
Will I see you again?
So for dinner I made sweet potato, chickpea, broccoli, bok choy, and green onion, but it didn't look like enough, so my mom had this like rice mixture with like rice, black beans, and corn, so I just added a little bit of that in too, and it filled me up pretty well. And I'm just so tired. I just made a ginger tea and I'm just going to